Disney Adventures. I'm Adam.
I'm Kara.
I'm Eric.
We are
The Insiders, and this is the Howard Johnson's Anaheim.
And we are so excited because today we're doing a room tour of a park view, Disneyland view room.
Yes, this is a room that you can see Disneyland from. You can see the fireworks.
Oh my gosh,
awesome.
it's literally my favorite view in the world, you guys.
And I may be biased, but anytime that you get to watch the fireworks from your balcony is like my favorite day in
watch
the world.
the fireworks, then go straight to bed. It's pretty awesome. So
Perfect.
check it out.
Also, we are obsessed with the HoJo orange chair.
So if you get a photo with the orange chair, be sure to post it with the hashtag Howard Johnson's Hotel.
And be sure to tag Howard Johnson's Anaheim so that they can see it. So we're walking into Building 1 right now, and Building 1 is actually where they have the Midmod market.
Which is literally perfect. It has all the essentials, it has souvenirs. I love it, my favorite place.
Good food, good drinks, Disney merch.
Let's just go check out the Midmod market on the way upstairs.
All right. Ta-da!
Whoa! I can already see the Matterhorn from here.
Oh
The
my
view
gosh.
of Disneyland is
Wait,
amazing.
there's like a sunset and everything.
Hold on,
we
wait.
have to show you guys right now.
You guys, I'm so excited about this. Are you ready? All right. Open it.
Ta-da!
Check it out.
Oh man,
The Matterhorn, the sunset.
it's right there.
Wow.
Oh, and you can see the water park too.
Yeah, that's
so pretty.
This is so cool. This is such a good view. And so what you guys may or may not know is that the fireworks actually go off right there.
Right there. So you can see the entire fireworks show right from your room, right there.
I think that is so cool. You can literally like have a jammy party, watch the fireworks, and then go to bed. This is a standard 2-queen room in Building 1 with a park view. It has an internet TV so you can watch all your favorite shows as well as an Alexa, which I think is super fun, and you can even ask Alexa to do things like bring you more towels and she can handle it for you. They also, one of the things I love about this room is there's a lot of places to charge your phones. As someone who goes to the park all the time, your phone dies very quickly. So being able to come home and charge all your phones at once overnight so that you can wake up with a fresh start is such an important feature of any hotel room, and this hotel is really great at that.
And my favorite part of any HoJo's hotel room is the bathroom. So come here, you have 2 sinks here, a tub shower, this awesome duck picture, and a lighted mirror. It's so efficient and easy to get ready in the morning. Like, the makeup look will come out so well with this lighting.
Every HoJo's room has an awesome mini kitchen. This one's awesome. We have a microwave, coffee maker, and a mini fridge. You can get stuff at the Midmod market to put in the fridge. This is a great combo for early morning when you're trying to like get up and out the door. The mini kitchen's awesome on this side, and on this side you have drawers, you have cubbies, you have suitcase space, you have a desk, and you have this awesome bench. Everywhere you look, there's somewhere to put your stuff. These come out and you can put them around the table. And then behind the camera is the closet, and you can fit so much stuff in there too.
The Building 1 rooms are newly remodeled, and I think they're gorgeous, and you definitely are gonna wanna check them out.
And here at Howard Johnson's, they have a saying, and that is, we strive for 5.
Yes.
Which is a 5-star review on TripAdvisor.
Yes.
So,
if you see anything 5-star worthy, leave a 5-star review.
and if there's anything not 5-star worthy,
Just let the front desk know and they will fix it. They're awesome. Yeah, just let them know if there's anything they can do. They're happy to help.
absolutely.
All right, so we just walked out of Building 1.
Yes, we want to show you around a little bit. If you stop right here, that way.
That way.
Yes,
My bad.
that is Castaway Cove, the water park here at HoJo Anaheim, the iconic water playground, and it has the massive dump bucket. We love it so much.
We have so many memories here,
Always
you
a good
guys.
time.
Oh my gosh, it's my
Always fun to get
favorite.
soaked.
know. What's great about staying at Howard Johnson's Anaheim is that it's like a property and a campus that you're on when you come to stay here. So it feels like a resort style hotel stay when you come.
It's beautiful.
Which makes it so fun.
It's super like comforting and calm.
Yes, they have the water playground over there, but let's go show you guys the pool, which is over by Building 2.
This way.
Yeah, it's so awesome. You keep walking. Building 1 is over there. The water park's that way, but you walk this way behind the camera.
Yes, back to building 2.
Going this way back to building 2. Here's the garden pool.
Right next to building 2 is the garden pool, which is such a fun area. It's beautiful, it's right in the sun, and it's perfect for like a nice sunny day on your vacation.
I am just in love with that Matterhorn view. It is so
literally so
good.
perfect.
It's amazing. You guys have got to stay at Howard John's in Anaheim on your next trip to Disneyland or SoCal in general.
Yes, I'm Adam.
I'm Kara.
I'm Eric.
We are
the Insiders, and we were so honored to get to show you around HoJo today.
Yes, so be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.